Do you see that tomato plant coming up in the corner of my flower box? It's going to help me procrastinate later on today. Why? Well, it's just crying out to be transplanted. A little while ago, I started out with my procrastination project by filling up a bag on my azotea. It now has dirt, and I've watered it, and later on, this little tomato plant, along with another one, is going to find a new home in that bag. I'll show you later. Right now, I've done enough procrastinating for the morning, and I'm going to get down to writing. I wish you all luck with your writing and with your procrastinating, which is very important to do. You've got to balance writing with something. Why not? Procrastinating. And gardening is a great way to do that. It'll give you many, many opportunities to take breaks from your writing. Best of luck. This is Diane Romaine on Lessons for Procrastinating for Writers. Bye-bye.